This is a very special room tour. This is room 815 at the Sheraton Anchorage. This is going to be a very special room because it is a junior suite, mountain view. All the junior suites are, 2 of them per floor. And let's start with the foyer. Here we have a guest bathroom. Actually, this might be the real bathroom. This is the first time I'm in here. Bathtub, shower head, nice. Nice renovated counter. Skincare items, body lotion, mouthwash, shaving cream. A Sheraton, you're allowed to request anything you need. This is what the bathtub looks like. We have amenities for the shower right there. Right there, and extra stuff and hair dryer down there. Let's go into the closet. You can see this is kind of an old school style wood door. Here at the Sheraton, they give you slippers, a bathrobe, which they charge for, obviously, if you take, but they have it. Extra blanket, because it's Anchorage. It's Alaska. Shut that light off, and let's look at the main attraction here. We have the living room, working area. Stick around. I'll get to the view in a little bit. Sheraton in-room dining. We have a restaurant. It's open right now. It's open from 5 to 11. They have a lounge. They got everything. Proper business hotel, I should say. Been a while since I've had that, since COVID, actually. Desk, obviously, it's been in better condition. You know, it's old. This hotel's kind of old. It's renovated. You can see it's aged somewhere, kind of like over there on the desk. But honestly, they're doing a good job. Like, yeah, it's a little bit old. This isn't the Ritz. Everything's in good condition. We have a mini fridge. No freezer. For that, you just have to go outside. Multiple drawers. A ice tray. Probably not used much, I had to guess. We have a breakfast menu with in-room dining options. If you'd like to scan those, you can. The Jade Restaurant has a brand new menu, room service. Here we have, this is a different key for the club lounge. Works for the club lounge only, which is room 1115. Basically 3 floors above this. It's basically 2 junior suites combined into 1 room on the 11th floor. This is the info fact sheet. Parking is $19 a night. Here's the info sheet. Feel free to read it. Spa is temporarily closed. It's probably just staffing. And also, it's not high season yet, so why open the spa? Housekeeping every 3rd day. It's fine. Whatever. The hotel is sold out for the entire week, of which I'm staying here. Let's get to the room now. Mirror. Nice big mirror. TV. Sitting area with a sofa. It is a sofa bed. You get these 2 tables you can move around, like a lot of hotels are doing now. Nice and big. A little kind of wasted space over there. I'm going to use it to store my suitcase. Look at this view. What time is it, you think? Well, if you said midnight, you're wrong. It's actually 9:30 p.m. Straight ahead, you'll see Merrill Field, the North End Aviation Airfield. And this is start of Alaska 1 going north, south, Alaska 1 going north. It's not the highway yet. It actually starts past the airfield, but it's on this road. I drove from up there in the valley today, and it's just straight on this road. But here's the view out here. Beautiful. Not the water. You don't get the water view. Actually, you do get a little bit of the water view. A little bit of bay view. But corner room here. Here's the bed. They got this, whatever this is called. That's here. And Sony clock. I actually have this clock at home. It's a great clock. Adjust brightness. whatever it is. I don't know what I'm doing. And yeah, this is the bed. It's the Sheraton bed, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed the room tour. This is really it. Surprised the bathroom entrance is over. They should make the bathroom entrance like, I don't know, whatever. Anyway, that's really it. You can see the heating and everything is on the wall here for windows, which is a smart design. Also, the windows open. Please do not leave the windows open during the winter months. That will cause things to freeze. Look at that. It's also about 60 degrees out, but very windy and gusty today. I love how you can still open the windows in these hotels. That's great, but I'm going to close the window shades now because I got to get ready for bed soon. That's it. Leave a comment if you like. Ask some questions. Or just say, if you've been here before, what do you think best about this hotel? Why do you like it compared to other ones? But, well, that's really it.